need to do something real quickly. I need to transfer the info for this Oura Ring from this old Z Flippin' 4 to the Z Flip 5. We're gonna log in. Okay, close your eyes. And before I can log in, what I want to do is click on the little rings here. I want to go to settings. You want to look for backup all data. And it's going to back up all your data and sync your ring at least 3 times. And then click start. And then you're going to want to log in with the same email account on the old phone on the new phone, of course. When it's all backed up, you'll get this confirmation. Your data has been successfully backed up. I recommend doing it one more time or at least a sync. And the easy way to force a sync is to close all your apps, reopen Aura, and it'll automatically synchronize again. And yes, the Oura Rings synchronize with both Android or an Apple phone, like the one I'm syncing on. There we go, it's synchronized, looks good. Now we want to close that app and we want to log out. So we'll go to settings. There's factory reset, set up new ring, soft reset. Well, I'm going to erase this phone anyway, so it doesn't matter. Close the app, put it into airplane mode. And then a new one, you want to log in. I forgot a really important step, the charger. I took off into town and ran some errands, and I had the Z Flip 5 with me, and then nope, I didn't have the charger. And it was asking for the charger. Without the charger, it doesn't quite know. I was actually hoping that Samsung would be able to transfer the info from one Samsung to another, but yeah, that doesn't work. Congrats on your new ring. Setup will take approximately 10 minutes. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Your existing data will be backed up. Begin setup. Factory resetting your old ring. No, we don't need to do that. Connect your Oura Ring. Yeah. So now we go setup ring. Searching for my ring. So now we take the OEM cable, which has the lovely, so you can see the little logo right there. We plug that in. I usually use my Apple charger because it's nice and 5 watty. There we go. Take off the Oura Ring size 12. We're going to place it on the charger. It only goes on one way. And then as soon as we do that, it should... no rings found. Setup ring. Searching for your ring. There we go. Heritage Stealth Generation 3. Size 12. Awesome. Then you just click connect. That's pretty easy, right? Bluetooth pairing request. Pair with Aura. Yes. And now it pairs, or as some people call, now it binds. It binds my ring to my account. Thank you for being an early adopter. For the best fit and most, get started. And it takes me to an account. Restricted mode is engaged. Only factory reset is possible. What? Resetting ring to factory settings. This may take a few minutes. Please wait. What in the world is that about? I'll do a screenshot for you so you can read it without the glare. Huh. All right. Well, that's strange. I don't know why. I did this a while ago from Samsung to Android. Did I say Samsung? From Apple to Samsung. It was either Apple to, and I didn't have to do it. So they must have changed the policy. I've had this exact ring, this size 12, paired with the phone that I just sent back to Samsung, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, for the better part of a year. Setup will take approximately 10 minutes. Begin setup. Factory reset your old ring. To repurpose or transfer ownership of your old ring, you'll need to first make sure your ring is at least 50% charged. This may take 10 minutes. All right. Well, I'll see you in 10 minutes. Okay, that was 10 minutes, but I normally don't see a blue light. That's kind of cool. Kind of a turquoise color. Now it's trying to search for my ring again. That's so weird. Maybe I should have done a factory reset from the old phone before I connected the new one. I think we're good. It's white. Okay, now we can do a fancy screen recording, which I probably should have done earlier. I'm sorry, it's been a really, really long day. So it's showing connected. If I click in the top right, battery level 99%. Your 2022 year in review is here. All right, let's go. Show me last year. See your insights and collect your awards for the year. Next. You averaged 6 hours and 45 minutes. That's nice. Your typical time in bed was 22:57 to 6:22. Man, that's precise. Some of us are counting sleep at 9 p.m. and others running well past midnight. Which are you? Follow your monthly changes, find your body's favorite sleep window, and take it into 2023. Well, it is now August of 2023, Aura, so I guess I took it. Sleep window consistent. Whether you're an early bird, I'll let you read that. Your 2023 could be even better. This is funny how it's showing this. Here's how your scores have changed. Days, weeks, months, kind of all over the place. But I'm trying. We're all trying for better sleep. Your average nighttime resting HR was 68 this year, but your lowest was 51. I like that. And it talks about lowering heart rate and lowest resting heart rate. Cool. Overnight, your average HRV was 22 and your highest was 28. I just tested mine today with this fancy Garmin and it said my HRV was 51. So it's not always that low. Next, you took 3,442,673 steps this year. That's like finishing 59 marathons. Awesome. Whether you treaded miles of pavement, clocked days in the gym, or tallied hours of casual walks to your favorite cafe, just the steps you took this year counted for a lot, like 59 marathons worth. Next, nice graphics. You were most active around 8 a.m. this year. Okay. Good to know. I got 570 hours and 45 minutes of restorative time. I think that's good. You took a total of 82 naps. Oh yeah, sure. Naps aren't just for cats or newborns. If you like naps, comment down below. Next, you spent 2 hours and 32 minutes meditating. Hey, I'll do better. I think I've done better this year. Based on your scores, you're in the House of Harmony. Oh, okay. House of Harmony. As a harmonizer, well, you can read that later. Crowns earned 523. Readiness 146. Sleep 169 crowns. Activity 208. Kind of off on the alignment there. Days with triple crowns 47. Next year, bring a friend. Get them started with a $50 discount. Share your link. Done. Your Oura View is here. What was the total number of cat naps taken? Let's go. Is this the same thing again? Next. Usually went to bed. Next. Usually woke up at 6:51. 7 hours and 15 minutes. I sleep like a bottlenose dolphin. Typical bedtime. Man, it knows so much about us. This is an Oura Ring too, but this one right there. Oh! Unintentional drop test. Oh, yeah. Living Accord, nice. Weekends, stayed 28 minutes more in bed than weekdays. I'll take it. Daily habits, scores, differences. I took 909,000 steps this year already. You hit your activity goal 57% of the days. You're most active at 8. Inactive time, almost 800 hours. 24 naps. 158 crowns. So that's for this year already. Update Health Connect, update available, Aura Circles is here. So it's just kind of re-showing all the data that I've had. So that's nice. And you can always click on the little hamburgers, go to reports, go to yearly, and I can view that data again. I can go to my anniversary, my 1.5 years. I can do monthly, which is really cool. They have weekly reports that you can go back in time and I can view when I first got the ring in December of this year and view that first report, resting heart rate. Really cool. I like the reporting of ŌURA Ring. So transferring the data, it looks like everything transferred nicely. It always helps that I did not just one, but 2 backups and that I synchronize the ring on a regular basis. New score. There's a new score category called Fair for the Readiness. All right, got it. And you can quickly jump. Sometimes I would like, instead of just scrolling away, to just jump back in time, if that makes sense. There we go. Pretty easy. So step 1, find your ring. Step 2, find the charger, because you're going to need that to connect to your new phone. Step 3, backup your data. Step 3, backup your data again. Synchronize one last time. Backup the data a third time if you really want to. Reset the ring from your old phone, and then log into your account on the new phone. Get out the charger. Put the ring on the charger like so. So the bumps go up just like that. And then it'll turn white, and then your ring will find it, and you're all set. It can take the data a little bit to synchronize, and then you're good to go. Let's take a look at the circles. Welcome to ŌURA Circles. Get started. Next, next. I accept. And here's the circles with my other rings. So we have Pietro Herget ŌURA Ring 2. That's this one on my left index. Pietro, well, just Peter Herget Argento. That's my thumb ring. And then we have Black Slate, Pedro, U. So we have all 3 of my rings all together. Huh. The scores were quite a bit different last night. Readiness 86, Readiness 80, 78 on the ŌURA Ring 2. Sometimes the ŌURA Ring 2, I don't know, I really I would like if somehow the sensors didn't always have to be on the bottom of your finger. Maybe if they could just put sensors on all 4, maybe that would jack up the costs. Even this Ultra Human ring would, yeah, this one, the sensor has to be on the bottom. So you kind of, throughout the day, you're always adjusting your rings and making sure they're upright and snug enough. And I do recommend every so often, just get naked, technologically naked, take off your gadgets, and take a break from technology. You don't have to wear the watches and rings all day long. There we go. I'm going to get these questions. This is the Garmin Fenix 7X Pro, and this is the TicWatch Pro 5 by Mobboy. So a Garmin watch and a TicWatch. And yes, I am almost done with my 3-year study wearing 3 of these ŌURA rings for 2 years. I don't know if I'll do 3 rings for 3 years. I don't know. I mean, if ŌURA, if you want to, cut me a check and sponsor the channel, and then I'll do another year, let me know. And the Ultra Human ring. RingCon reached out to me. They may send me a ring to test. We'll see. Ultra Human did send me this one, but no money was exchanged, and I bought all 3 of these ŌURA rings over the past 1.5 years. Well, 2 years. All right, that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, just follow the steps. Back up the ring, synchronize the ring, sync it, back it up again, do 2 backups, reset the ring because it needs to pair to a different phone, and then log into your new phone, the data downloads. You'll select that you already have a ring, put it on the charger, like so, and there you go. Now, it is interesting to know that even though this is a size 12, my size 13 ŌURA ring will charge on this device. You kind of have to get it just so, and it's very hard to do while driving, even if you're the passenger, because it's going to move. But if you're stationary at the office or at home or whatever, in the kitchen, you can charge a size up. You just can't charge a size down. So this is the size 12. Here's my size 11 ŌURA Ring 2. Not gonna do it. No, it doesn't fit. Thanks for watching. Pithy comments down below. And yes, let the credits roll for the Paramount Kid. I'll see you again with another video soon. Goodbye. Thanks for staying till the very end, Paramount Kid, and watching those end credits. And just for you, the Oura Ring and the Ultra Human Ring. We'll see you later. Goodbye.